Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So this is the last of the Sparkle Supplies UK. As you see, this is Electra, and I also went in with Moonlight. These are the ones that were in my last haul. I'm also going to be using Royal Navy from the jar bottle link and J018, which is a nude colour. Yeah, so let's get cracking. I will pop in and out over this video. This is J018 and I will do 2 coats of this. Okay, so I'm going in with a layer of base coat on this now, and we are then going to sugar it with Moonlight because it's one of my faves. It's gotta be. It's blue. So on this one I am going in with foil glue. I have obviously contaminated it with some glitter. My god. So I am literally swiping this off. Yeah, so I'm going in with some foil glue. And this is going to have the electric and a other gold foil. I can't remember where the gold foil was from, but I'm sure Sparkle Supplies will stock this anyway. Yeah, so I'm just bringing out the sugar nail. How stunning is this glitter? Oh my god, I love it, I love it. I mean, if you don't know me by now, blue is my favourite. Any type of blue. This is really up my street. And I was so wear these nails. Anyway, without further ado, I am just literally brushing off any excess glitter, and that nail is done. So I'm now just dabbing in this gold foil, and then I will go back in with the midnight. Oh my god! Do you know what? I've had a couple of G&Ts, so I'm so sorry. I can't remember anything. Bear with. This is absolutely stunning. It does give me Cadbury vibes, if I'm honest. But I love it all the same. I'm going to do a bit of stamping on these anyway. So yeah, I love it. These are literally right up my street, and I was so wear these out. simple but effective. That is me all over. So how cool is that? It turned out so nice. I loved it. Yeah, so let's do the next one. So the two middle ones will have J018 from the Gel Butter Link, which is the nudie colour. And then on the pinky finger, I will go in with a pot of gold. It is a pot of gold. A pot of gold. And I will sugar that in the same way as I did with Moonlight. Okay guys, so this is the look so far, and yeah, I am doing the two middle nails in matte top coat, but I'm going to do some stamping, so yeah, keep watching. Okay guys, so if you have not noticed already, my Sparkle Supplies UK code is up in the screen right now. It's always in my description below, and it's KDM15, and that will give you a whopping 15% off. So this is the Minimal Plate 08 from Moyu, and I'm going to use these longer pieces because these nails are longer stiletto. Now I did do this in two halves because the tips were very long and it didn't quite fit, and I didn't want to pull the stamping plate down to make it a little bit obscure, if that makes sense. So I just picked up that last little piece and plopped on the end of the nail, and I did that exactly the same with the other nail as well. I just think it gave it a better look. So you will see when I took it from the top to the bottom, and that is so I can place the bottom part more precisely on the nail. So yeah, that is what I did here. You will see me do that. I don't put any gel on, it's literally picking up what is left on there and plonking that on the nail. This is what they look like so far. I do clean up my stamping plate. I've got hiccups before I put it back in the sleeve. So yeah, you can see me do that right here. You will just see me cleaning up my stamping plate and my... Oh, you know what? I've had too many G&Ts and I've got hiccups. I'm just cleaning up. And lastly, I am using my favourite matte top coat, and this is Urban Graffiti Ultra Matte Top Coat. I am so sorry for hiccuping. I'm trying to stop it, but I can't. This is my favourite of all the matte top coats. It leaves a lovely effect on the nail. There's no kind of residue there. I do get residue from the gel bottling on and I hate it. This is my favourite and I would highly recommend you go get yourself some. But this is the finished look, and yeah, I'm happy with these. These are right up my street. Thank you so much for watching and staying tuned. I'm so sorry for the hiccups. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.